Hey everyone, it's Brownstone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig review for you guys. So I will be reviewing a wig from divatress.com, and they specialize in selling synthetic wigs, and this is one of 3 wigs that I received from this company, so it will be 3 separate videos for each wig. And I will be reviewing this lovely wig here. The name of this wig is Teresa, as you see on the box. So it came in this little box right here, which I like. Just off top, just by reading all of this stuff, realistic, natural look. We'll see about that. It's silk base lace front wig, so it's like the 4x4, which is pretty cool as well. And it is purple hair. So what I like about this website is the fact that it does have a lot of styles on there. If you go on the website, you see they have over 800 different styles, and you can pick whatever color you want. So I've been meaning to get a purple wig for the longest. I feel like I've tried a lot of colors: blonde, blue, pink, red, and purple just wasn't there yet. So I'm really excited to finally have a purple wig. So one thing I noticed when I did get this hair is that it is from Free Tress as well. So I definitely like that, just because back in high school I used to always wear crochet braids, and Free Tress was always the go-to synthetic hair that I went to get my crochet braids to do them, and I really loved it. So I'm really hoping that this hair doesn't disappoint. I haven't opened it yet, so y'all will see how much I like it once I open it. So let's get to it. So it just slides out like so. Oh, you just, oh, okay. Ooh, I'm low-key really excited for this wig. Okay, so I have to cut this off. Oh, so this little thing that came with it, it does have hair instructions about washing and styling it. I'll definitely put up a video of how to wash and revive your synthetic wigs, just because now I have a good amount of synthetic wigs, so I definitely should show that to you guys as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of this extra stuff, but oh, look at this color. Okay, so let me go ahead and take all this out because I'm ready to wear this right now. Okay. So off top, the color is amazing. It is beautiful. I love the way it feels so far. It is pretty. It does have that ombre effect going on, purple, a few little, is that fuchsia? Is that what you call it? Fuchsia tones in there, which is really good as well. I like that. Let's get into this wig construction. So it has the 2 combs on the side. Like I said earlier, it's like a, I don't think this is a 4x4. If anything, this looks, yeah, it's probably like a 4x4 right in the middle, which is cool. Oh man, this hair just might be fire. Hold up. Let me go ahead and cut the lace, and then we're gonna put it on, and we'll go from there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this wig. So off top, I am in love. Ooh, hold on. Sorry. I am in love with this color, okay? This color goes so hard. It is so, so, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, like, I've been dying to get a purple wig, and this did not disappoint as far as the color is concerned. If I had to see what inches this is, I would say this is like a good, I would say this is like a 20, 22, not a 22, at most a 20, 18 to a 20. So that's a good size, I guess, or a good length. I'm really one of those people, I like it either really short or really long, nothing in between. So I really wish it was a tad bit longer, but that will do. Honestly, it'll do. I do love how this wig also feels. It has that yucky, kinky texture to it. This probably will tangle a little bit. Maybe not too much. I'm not really sure. It is getting a little tangly while I am running my fingers through it. I do want to wear this out to see if it'll give me any problems of any sort. I am interested in also straightening this wig just because the curls on this is a little more old school than I would have liked it to be. I don't know, like, I was really expecting more of this and it's more old school. Is this the same or am I tripping? To me, it's different. To me, it's not the same curl pattern, honestly. This one looks a little more updated than this version, and when I looked at this wig, the first person I thought of was Tina Turner. And my cousin came in, she was like, Tina Turner, what? And I was like, you don't remember Tina Turner in her Proud Mary days? Like, hello? So let me show y'all this picture of young Tina. This is Tina Turner back in her early days, okay? Is this not the same wig? Look at her again. Is this not the same wig? So the curls are a little outdated, so I am interested in straightening it, and I think that will, you know, bring it up to date a little bit. But I do love the texture of this wig. Also, I love how I could just throw it onto the side and make it a side part, and I think I like it better on the side than I do in the middle as of right now. I didn't experience any shedding of any sorts just yet, so that's really good. The other wig, one of the other wigs I got from this company, it did shed quite a bit, so I was kind of nervous when it came to this wig, but it's holding up pretty nice, and I've been combing and brushing through it, and I'm not experiencing too much. It's a few strands, but nothing too serious like the other one, so I'm very pleased with that so far. Do y'all see how easy it just brushes through though? Okay, come through, okay? But like I was saying about this reminded me of Tina Turner. This is this wig's name. Please address me as Tina, okay? Miss Tina is here today, okay? This is very much so Proud Mary, you know, just bam. Ooh. Oh, okay. Having a little too much fun, but ooh, okay, okay, so we gotta mess it up to get it a little more life in here. Is that what we gotta do? Oh, that actually looked kind of nice. That actually went off a little bit. Ooh, okay. I just love the fact that I'm just playing around and doing the most with this wig, and it is, oh my gosh, it is just moving with me, you know, like it came to play, if you know what I'm saying, okay? But the price of this wig is $39.95, and you can get this in multiple colors as well. This site is really good when it comes to having a whole bunch of different styles and getting them in a whole bunch of different colors. So you could definitely check this one out. It's $40. That's a really good price. As far as any, well, let me go ahead and just say the wig review. So I definitely like this better than the other wig I reviewed, and I think I gave that wig a 7.5, and I should have gave that wig a 6.5, honestly. And I want to give this one a 7.5. So I will definitely put the link to the other wig in the description box below. But yeah, this one definitely goes off a lot harder than the other one. I think I'm gonna give it an 8, not a 7.5. This is a solid 8, honestly. I'm really loving it so far. The color is beautiful. I could definitely wear it out, make it look natural, make it look real good. It is holding up. I am running my fingers through this hair. This yucky, kinky texture thing going on. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. Again, color, bam, in your face, coming through for you, okay? But that's really all I have to say about this wig. I really do enjoy it though. It's a lot of fun. Just wish the curls were a little more up to date, tangling just a little bit, that's it. Other than that, I mean, this wig, this is a really good synthetic wig. Like I'm really feeling this wig. Like I'm really excited to start wearing this out very soon, okay? So that is all I have for you guys today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what else you guys would like to see from me. I will definitely have a video up, or put that on the list of videos to do, as far as me showing how to wash your wigs and bring them back to life if they're synthetic, of course. And anything else you guys would like to see, please comment below, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video.